Greetings everyone, welcome on board and welcome back to Waypoints Aviation, and thank you so much for tuning into our channel. A lot of you have commented and said some wonderfully nice things and appreciated our videos, and for that we just want to say a very big thank you. And please continue to like and share our videos with those who you think it might be useful. So and it'll help our channel, and it'll also help us, and also please let us know in the comments if there's anything that you would very specifically like us to do, something you'd like us to teach you in our A320 simulator, and we would be more than happy to do that for you. So yeah, so now today I'm basically tackling a subject which is called the bird, or rather TRKFPA. Now generally when you fly the aircraft with the flight director on, the standard flight director is this crosshair. And basically what the crosshair does, it just basically tells you where you have to point the aircraft. Like right now I wanted 3,000 feet and I wanted a heading of 210 degrees. So 3,000 was there, 210 was in the heading, and basically you just have to point the black square, the nose of the aeroplane, in the middle of the cross. Like for example, if I want to go to the left about 10 degrees, I put 200, you see that? The cross will move to guide you where you have to place the aircraft to obtain and maintain the parameters that you dial in. Same thing goes for altitude. If I want to climb to 3,000 to 4,000 feet, and I'm going to initiate that, and I'm going to make another left turn to about 190 degrees. So now you can see the cross is going to go up, guiding the aircraft to climb. Place the square in the middle of the cross, the aircraft will climb until we get to 4,000, and then it'll guide you to come back down. Same thing for the heading. As you get closer to your heading that you've selected, the cross is going to move to the right to guide you to level your wings. So that's how the flight director works, and the flight director is an amazing tool. We never fly without it. It's pretty much mandatory that we fly with it all the time. Now the Airbus has got another feature which is called TRKFPA, which will change the cross into what we call the bird. So to get that, all you have to do is come over here. You see where heading VS, TRKFPA. We're currently in heading VS mode. So now if you push this button here, you get TRKFPA, flight path angle. And if you look at the cross, it's now changed to a different kind of flight director. So the two horizontal lines with the little triangles on the side of them, that represents your horizontal guidance, rather your pitch up and down. And also these will change left and right in an angle to guide you on your turn. So let's just say we want to go left to a heading of 150 degrees, or now rather a track of 150. So we dial 150 in there. All right, 150 is confirmed. You see that? You see how you just have to match the bird to that angle. Now before I go any further, I probably think I should show you exactly what the bird is. So if I take the flight director away, that's what you're left with. That's called the bird. Now the bird has got, well, just like any other bird, it's got a body, it's got wings, it's got a tail. This little circle is the body of the bird. The two horizontal dashes on the side are the wings, and the little vertical dash on the top is the tail of the bird. Okay, so wings, tail, that's the bird. So if you bring the flight director on and you want to learn how to follow this, let's just say we wanna climb to 6,000 feet. I'm gonna put 6,000 in there. And as I pull, now watch the vertical lines. They're gonna go up, and all you have to do now is match the wings of the bird. You're no longer paying attention to the black square. You're paying attention to the wings, to the bird. You match the wings of the bird to the horizontal lines, and that is going to guide you to get to 6,000 feet. Let's just say it's 5,000. Now as 5,000 comes, the horizontal lines will move down, and you just have to lower the bird and match the horizontal lines. That's how you do your pitch. Now let's say we want to take a turn to the left to a track of 120 degrees. We've set 120. All you need to do now is bank the aircraft and match the wings of the bird to the horizontal lines. So it's pretty simple. Just match the wings to the horizontal lines. That's how easy it is to fly the flight director using TRKFPA mode. Now let's just say you wanted to fly raw data without the flight director. Okay, I've turned the flight directors off. You see that? The flight directors are gone. So remember the tail and the wings of the bird. Remember, once you turn the bird on, you are no longer paying attention to the black square. You're flying the bird. You're not flying this anymore, you're flying the bird, because the bird gives you that proper accuracy of what exactly the aircraft is doing. Now, if I wanted to descend to about 3,000 feet, all I have to do is dip. I'll make it 4,000. All I need to do is put the wings of the bird below the horizon. See the horizon, 0 degrees? Put the wings of the bird below the horizon, almost to about 2.5 degrees nose down, and the aircraft will start to descend. So as long as the wings are not on the horizon, the bird is doing some kind of a vertical maneuver. In this case, it's descending. All right, now let's just say I want to climb. So all I have to do is bring the wings of the bird above the horizon line, and the aircraft will climb. The higher the bird goes above the horizon or below the horizon, the higher the rate of climb you're gonna get. And now watch, as we get close to 5,000 feet, all you have to do to stay straight and level, perfectly maintaining altitude, is put the wings of the bird back on the horizon. Put the wing right here on the horizon, and the aircraft will stay straight and level. You don't have to figure out what degree angle to place the nose of the aircraft to stay straight and level. You just have to focus on the bird and put the bird on the horizon, which we're going to do right now. And there you go. The aircraft is maintaining perfect altitude with the wings on the horizon. So remember, wings below the horizon, descend, wings above the horizon, you climb, wings on the horizon, straight and level flight. Now, let's just say I want to intercept a track. I'm going to turn the track to the left. I'm going to go to a heading of 090, a track of 090. You see that blue line that was there? That represents 090. As you get close to 090, you reduce, or rather the track that you want, you reduce the rate of bank, and all you got to do is put the tail of the bird on the blue track. And if you do that, you will be maintaining a perfect 090. And the 090 will be accurate, factored for the wind. Like right now we got a tailwind. I'm going to turn the aircraft 90 degrees to the left to a heading of north. All right, I'm going to set north 360 degrees or 000. Now watch, the track is not there anymore because the track is to our left. So we're going to keep banking until that track comes back in. And watch how the bird will factor for the wind. It's going to be a crosswind for us, but the bird will show you exactly where you have to place the tail of the bird to maintain and obtain 090 degrees track, and you will stay there because it's already factored for the wind. That's the beauty of it. Instead of using the regular flight director, you can use the bird and you will always be flying accurately in the exact track that you want. So there we go. There's the blue line, which represents 360 degrees north. We're leveling out, gently putting the track, the tail of the bird on the blue track. See the hat over there, right on the yellow line? Tail of the bird pretty much on the blue line right there perfectly, and we are maintaining we are maintaining a track of north 360 degrees, even though the wind is pushing us from the left. And that is how you fly the bird. So I hope you found this useful. If you did, please give us a like and a subscribe, and share the video if you found it useful with your friends. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.